is that I started to realize is that we were completely misunderstanding the nature of the game, and yet the moment you bring that science into this field of biology that we're talking about, all the problems that we're really basically facing in the world today start to sort themselves out in much better solutions and resolutions than the mechanical drug pharmaceutical industry answer to the issues. And it's an unfortunate situation because my perception of it now is that this has been perhaps one of the biggest destructive events in biomedicine is the collusion with pharmaceutical industry.
I was one of a hand-picked group invited in the evenings to hang out with Francis Crick and Sidney Brennan. Both of them got the Nobel Prize, both of them eminent Cambridge biologists. And they were trying to persuade us, who they thought was this group of promising biochemists, to go into molecular biology. This was in 1963. And they explained their approach, and it was very clear. Francis Crick said, you know, we figured out the genetic code in 10 years. He said, we've understood the basic key to life in 10 years. There are two basic problems still unsolved, developmental biology and consciousness. He said, the only reason they haven't been solved so far is the people who are studying it just aren't smart enough. He said, I'm taking consciousness, Sidney Brenner's taking developmental biology, and we'll have it figured out in 10 years in molecular terms. They believed this. It was a kind of evangelical crusade. They then persuaded grant-giving agencies, and later in the 70s and 80s, beginning then, investment companies to invest huge amounts in molecular biology, promising that sequencing the genome, the genetic modification of plants, all this kind of thing, would lead to huge profit.